Okay, Bryce, there's your basket. Let's go find some eggs. I think I see one. Are you ready? It's over by the fireplace. Do you see it over by the fireplace? Go get it. Put it in your basket. Good job, buddy. Okay, you better keep looking. Do you see any more?
Yes. Good job. I think there's some more. I think there's another one, Bryce.
Yay!
Yay. And I think there's one more.
Where?
Bryce, what's that over there?
Is it by where your videos are? Good job!
Yay.
Are you ready to open them up? Okay, let's
have a seat and open your eggs.
sit down and open them. Meg's gonna help you. You can do it.
Uh-oh.
What was in it?